In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color in a Confluence table. Whether you're a longtime user or just starting, customizing your tables can significantly enhance your documents and make your content more engaging. So, let's dive into how you can add some color to those Confluence tables with ease. First, you'll want to open your preferred internet browser. Confluence is a web-based solution, so you'll need a reliable browser to get started. If you don't have a preference, browsers like Chrome or Firefox are popular choices. Once you've launched your browser, the next step is to search for Confluence. You can simply type Confluence into your search engine and it should be the first result. Or if you have it bookmarked, just navigate there directly. When you've reached the Confluence login page, if you already have an account, go ahead and enter your credentials to log in. If not, don't worry. It's easy to sign up. You can create an account for free by following the sign-up prompts. This will give you access to all the basic features you need to get started. Once logged in, you'll want to either create a new Confluence page or open an existing one where your table is located. If you're creating a new page, just follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. If you're editing, navigate to the page in your Confluence space where the table you'd like to customize resides. Next, click inside the table cell you wish to color. This action should automatically trigger the table toolbar to appear in the editor interface. It's a helpful tool, allowing you to modify your table without much hassle. Look for the specific button that says Change Cell Color on this toolbar. It's typically represented by an icon that resembles a paintbrush or a bucket, which should be easily recognizable. Click on this Change Cell Color button and you'll see a color palette display on your screen. Here, you have a wide range of colors to choose from. You can select any color that suits the theme of your document or highlights the information effectively. Simply click on your desired color to select it. Once you've chosen your color, apply it by confirming your selection. You should see the background of your selected cell change instantly to the color chosen. You can repeat these steps for any other cells you'd like to customize. After you're satisfied with how the table looks, don't forget the final step. Publish your changes. Look for the Publish button, usually located at the top right corner of your screen, and click it. This action will save your changes and make your colorful table available for viewing by anyone who has access to your page. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've added a splash of color to your Confluence tables, making your pages more visually appealing and helping to emphasize key information. Thanks for tuning in today, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks.